Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a checklist on Google Sheets. It is actually super simple. What you're going to do is you're going to select the cells you want to add the checklist to. You are then going to go to insert here and select checkbox, and here it is. You can then check the sort of list and it will like say true or false on the kind of formula here. So this is good for like if you want to add this in on like attendance sheets. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can add a checklist on Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!